Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I decided I would do another video today. I got some LED lights in for the Pajero. This is a really easy, super cheap, does a lot for the vehicle mod, if you will. You can't go wrong. This was, I think it was 15 bucks. And it comes with most of the main LEDs that you'll use in the vehicle. And it just brightens your day. No pun intended. But honestly, it's the cheapest mod you could do at 15 bucks. And it does a lot for the vehicle. It really does make the interior much more usable, if you will. Because when I got this vehicle, it had the incandescent bulbs in there and they were just a joke. You would turn them on. Not only do they suck a lot of power from the battery, but they hardly ever light anything up nicely. So I threw in some lights in there, but I'm going to replace them with the ones I got. Because even these LEDs are not the best, but they're a lot better than what was in there. So we got those ones up top. And then we got those ones. You see what I'm talking about? How, like, at night they barely light up the ground. So it definitely came with the two here. And then I believe it came with these ones. I think it only came with one or the other. So it's going to be these ones or these ones. I don't think there's enough bulbs in there to cover all four back here. But yeah, let's replace them and see the difference. All right, everybody. So I used the little popper tool that came with the kit, and it's way nicer on any plastic light covering. So I replaced the one to the right already, and you can see how much brighter it is than the other two that I put in there previously. So that's going to be a big difference in itself. So I'm going to finish this up, but I wanted to show you guys a difference right off the hop. All right, so the second one is in, and I just wanted to show you guys for the second time how different the lighting is in this one. This one seems like it's more blue. These two are more white, but they're way brighter. So that's good. All right, so the first part is complete. And it is way better in here already, and I just replaced it LEDs with LEDs. So I can't imagine what the incandescent bulbs are gonna look like. What kind of improvement, anyway. All right, everybody, so there's the factory light. No, you can't really see it, but it's an energy sucker, so we're going to change that out. So before I put it in, just wanted to show you the size difference and what the bulb looks like for the doors. All right, so this one didn't fit as nice, but the light is way nicer. And you can see the plastic or the metal tab is kind of digging into the plastic there, because these lights don't have the little knob at the end that slide into the cradle like these. I don't think that's going to be an issue at all, but the light is way better. It's a way nicer looking light, and it's not going to suck as much energy from the battery. So of course we're going to run into this issue. So this is the light I was supplied with the kit. And if you can see, that light in there is much, much larger. So in comparison, it will not fit into that cradle. So I'll take this out anyway to show you, but that's a pain. So here's video proof. This is not gonna work. Obviously it's not contacting the metal contacts like it should. The size of it should be a lot bigger, like this one, where it fits snug. So I'm gonna put this back and talk to the company and see if they can send me the proper bulb, because this was a bulb kit specific for the Pajero. So stuff like this happens though. It's a kit and there's so many different variants of this vehicle, right? So you can't really blame the supplier. I'll throw a picture up of where I got this kit though, just so you guys have an idea what to look for. You could probably search it eBay or whatever. I think I got this one from eBay and from a store that specifically sells HR or LED kits. So I'll do that now for you guys. You can see it, and I'm gonna button everything up and finish the video. All right, last of the rear door bottom light has been installed. I did have to bend this bracket back a bit, but it's not really a big deal. I used the plastic because obviously it's, you know, connected to the battery. So bent it back a bit and shoved it in there, but it did deform the light a little bit. So that's unfortunate, but can't really expect much. But it works. It's in there, so we're good. All right, everybody, that concludes the video on the Pajero today, upgrading the interior lights. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the channel. I do have lots of content on all my vehicles and previous vehicles, so I'm sure there's something there that will tickle your fancy. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and think about subscribing if you like this content. All right, everybody, peace.